Strong to severe weather as well. So again, we're going to continue to see that spread to the east throughout the afternoon. And then we clear out actually as we head into the overnight hours and waking up to just some clear skies. So here's a look at your forecast for the Denver metro area. So we're going to zoom in a little bit and show you just what we showed you, but in a little bit more detail and closer to the metro area. So about 3 o'clock, again, expect some of those storms, Boulder, Greeley, into Fort Collins, down Castle Rock as well. In the metro area, we see that activity. I'm going to slow it down just a little bit. We're going to take you back. And then here we have it through the metro area, 4:30. We see that storms really intensifying as they head east, 5 o'clock. Elbert, Adams County, Byers, likely again we're looking at large, potentially damaging hail, strong winds, and can't rule out an isolated tornado with these storms moving through. And they'll continue wave 2, as I mentioned, 5, 6 o'clock, Fort Collins into Greeley as those storms roll through Lyman with some intensity as we head into the 7, 8 o'clock hour. And again, round 2 in the evening up north, Fort Collins, Greeley, Fort Morgan into Sterling. We'll continue to see that activity and then clearing out overnight. We wake up to pretty quiet conditions tomorrow with a chance for some afternoon showers and thunderstorms, but really we're not talking about anything severe for tomorrow. So for today, again, those clouds will increase, those storms rolling in. We could get up into the 80s. That's the forecast high. We will have to do that over the next couple of hours. So by 4 o'clock, we get into the low 80s, then we'll create that instability and we're more likely to see those strong to severe thunderstorms. Okay. In addition to the storms, we're also monitoring the smoke from those wildfires. So we've got clouds out there throughout the day. We've gotten the smoke as well from the fires, and we have an air quality alert for the western slope. This goes until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, and that is due to this smoke. I want to take this back and show you. So again, we're kind of focusing on the severe weather and the potential for those damaging thunderstorms this afternoon, but I also want to point out the smoke. This is a concern for those, especially in the sensitive group, those with any type of respiratory issues. As we head into the evening hours, we're getting that thick smoke still lingering around the metro area, certainly at unhealthy levels out across the western slope. But again, it is going to moving through the Colorado from west to east throughout the night, throughout the overnight hours, and throughout the day tomorrow. We get a little bit of a break tomorrow afternoon before more smoke rolls in tomorrow night. So again, this is just something to be aware of as we head into the weekend. We're going to see the haze from those wildfires burning northern Arizona, southern Utah, already crossed into Colorado, and that they're going to continue to bring us smoke as the wind pattern just continues to funnel that smoke in over the metro area, the I-25 corridor, and the plains through the day on Friday. So just something to be aware of. If you have outdoor activities and you are sensitive to wildfire smoke and those wildfire particles in that smoke, that is just something to be aware of as we head into the weekend. Tomorrow, partly cloudy, morning clouds, a little bit drier, although we do have a chance for some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. 87 degrees, a little bit warmer as well. Temperature's going to climb into the 80s across the plains for tomorrow. And your 7-day forecast, for some reason, I'm not quite sure why it's coming up. I'm going to try this one more time. See if we can get this to come up. All right, so we're kind of going to talk about, we do have temperatures in there for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Not sure why this is not showing it. But again, so today, of course, weather impact alert due to those afternoon storms here in the metro area. Anytime after about, looks like 2:30, 3 o'clock, we'll likely see that activity begin. We have scattered showers and storms in the forecast tomorrow afternoon. We're going to warm up a little bit, 87 degrees. We're back in the 90s on Friday with a chance for an isolated shower or storm. We're looking at low 90s Saturday and Sunday, so pretty seasonal. Temperatures right around normal, and then we'll have a chance for an afternoon shower or storm both afternoons. We dry out on Monday, 93. Tuesday, it is going to be another hot one as temperatures soar to 96 degrees. So that is a look at your weather on this Wednesday. Of course, we are continuing to track the storms that are rumbling through. Let's go ahead and go back and kind of give you a live look right now at the the satellite and radar just to see exactly where those storms are as we head into, whoops, I got to back a little bit. And as we kind of give you a last look at where we are with those storms making their way into the metro area along the I-25 corridor. So again, you can see those storm activity moving into Arvada, Lakewood, Highlands Ranch as we speak, into Castle Rock too. So those storms starting to make their way, of course, as they travel across the plains, east across the I-25 corridor. That's where we have the potential for some severe weather to break out. Stay tuned to 9 News Plus and 9 News. Chief Meteorologist Kathy Sabin will have the latest on the storms at 3 o'clock this afternoon. And of course, always stay tuned to 9 News Plus. We'll keep you posted on the storms and their track and when you can expect that weather in your area. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.